First on Power Lunch is 360 Heros inventor and CEO Mike Kintner. Nice to have you here, Mike.
Yeah, thank you very much. I greatly appreciate it.
Well, listen, I'll tell you, this is a fascinating device. I'm going to hold it up now so that the viewers can see it. And basically, you printed this device from a 3D printer, correct?
Yeah, it's actually a 3D
So
printed
cool.
nylon material, so it's extremely flexible and strong and durable.
Well, obviously, it survived a great white shark. As a matter of fact, Discovery Network the photographers are using this device for their Shark Week to get some amazing footage. And basically what you can do is you can insert 6, in this device that I have anyway, I know you have others, but
Yep.
in the device that I have, you can put in 6 separate GoPros. So you're basically shooting at 360, hence the name 360 Heroes, correct?
Exactly. It allows you to take full spherical video in HD, so that the produced content is 6K, which is 3 times HD output.
Did you get in on the IPO, the GoPro IPO at all?
A little bit. That's a tough call unless you're a big-time investor, but I hopefully, when it opens up full-time for the public on Scottrade or something like that, I'll definitely be in there.
Oh, I bet you will. I bet you will. Mike, thank you so much. Really appreciate it.
Well, thank you very much. It was a pleasure being here today.
Good luck. And let us know. I wouldn't be surprised if somebody approached you about buying up your company.
Well, investors are always welcome.
Keep Power Lunch in mind.